In the heart of India's capital, a legacy of excellence has been thriving since the year 2002. Sri Sukhmani Institute of Management, located in Dwarka, Delhi, stands as a premier private institution dedicated to shaping the business leaders of tomorrow. As an AICTE approved campus and a proud affiliate of the prestigious Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, SSIM, offers a standard of education that is both rigorous and globally relevant. While they hold significant regional recognition across Delhi NCR B School list, their true impact is felt through the success of their graduates. At the core of their academic offering is the flagship 2-year full-time PGDM program, a degree that is recognized as equivalent to an MBA. What sets them apart is the sheer depth of choice available to students. With over 15 specializations to choose from, learners can dive deep into core sectors like marketing, finance, HR, and operations, or pivot towards the future with high demand fields like business analytics. This ensures that every student can tailor their education to match their specific career aspirations. Investment in the future at SSIM is structured and transparent. The total tuition fee for the 2-year journey is 9.5 lakhs, with hostel and mess facilities bringing the total investment to approximately 9.95 lakhs. However, the return on this investment speaks for itself. They boast a staggering 100% placement record. For the 2025 batch, the highest package reached an impressive 24.86 lakhs per annum, with an average package of 60 lakhs. Students find themselves starting careers with industry giants like Dabur, OM Logistics, and Regalo Kitchens. Getting started on this path requires a bachelor's degree with at least 50% aggregate, or 45% for SC and ST candidates. They welcome scores from all major entrance exams, including CAT, CMAT, XAT, MAT, NMAT, and ATMA. Typically, they look for a CAT percentile between 50 and 70, or 65 plus in CMAT and MAT. The selection process is holistic, involving group discussions, personal interviews, and written ability tests. For those ready to transform the professional trajectory, the journey begins at www.ssim.dwarka.com. Join a community where tradition meets modern innovation. Sri Sukhmani Institute of Management, where your future begins.